Howdy folks, Kyle Adams here at DRV Luxury Suites to showcase our LX455 full house. What we have here is a 45-foot long, fully livable toy hauler. A couple things that separates us from our counterparts in the industry. We do a disc brake package standard hooked up to an H-rated 17.5-inch tire. Gone are the days of blowouts, Chinese-made tires. And obviously now we're giving you the ability to stop when you need to. Gorgeous Twilight Mist full body paint is what we've chosen on this one. Most of our counterparts are going to offer a decal package and then they're going to make you pay for the full body paint. We offer it standard here at every DRV Suites just for you. One thing that I love that we do here at DRV is we leave your fuel tank separate. So I'm going to give you a 30-gallon fuel tank for your generator. I'm gonna give you another 30-gallon fuel tank for your fueling station. So now we've got 60 gallons of fuel at our disposal for that long weekend getaway. Fully molded undercap, one of the only ones in the industry utilizing this. We're gonna have a nice 3M paint brawl on the front here. It's gonna protect against rocks, road debris, gonna protect your investment. As you'll notice, slam latch baggage doors on every compartment door. Nice Onan Cummins 5500 watt generator. Gonna power you up, get off grid, go where you wanna go. Now let's take you inside. Here we are inside the LX455 full house. First thing you'll notice, massive seating area, 4 recliners, plenty of seating for you and your family and your friends. As we come over, nice LG 55-inch TV, JBL soundbar, massive 47-inch fireplace, great ambiance. It also has a nice heat feature for those chilly mornings per se, so we don't have to crank out the furnace. As we move into the kitchen area, lots of storage, pull-outs, drawers. The LX455 does have the available option for a dishwasher just in case you would like to add one. So we move into the kitchen area, massive counter space. So a couple things that we offer, recessed cooktop with its own lid. So now we're gonna give you countertop space when you're not cooking. We do offer sink covers as well, we just don't have them installed right now. Massive 30-inch Whirlpool microwave. This is a residential appliance. So we step over, 20-inch cubic foot refrigerator. Does have filtered water feature, does have an ice maker in the bottom. Plenty of room. You want to get away for a couple weeks, don't have to worry about going to the grocery store every other day. As we step up, we're going to go into the master suite. First off, huge 48-inch shower. I'm 6'3", guys and gals. Plenty of room in here to wash. Don't have to worry about climbing in the skylight. Nice separate water closet. Tecma macerator toilet once again. Nice storage. Sink area. We come into the bedroom, king bed. It's going to be standard on every 455. You do have the option for a queen. Vanity glide. We're one of the only ones in the industry that's going to give you a vanity glide in the bedroom. We're going to maximize that space for you. Nice storage. Forgot to mention soft close drawer glides used throughout. Storage up underneath the bed. We come into the closet area. Massive closet, lots of hanging space, drawers and storage on the right-hand side. Now let's take you to the garage. From the garage to the living room or the living room to the garage, we do not step down. What I mean by that, this is a fully structured floor from the entry point of the coach all the way to the dovetail. We're one of the only ones in the industry that insulates this floor back here. You combine that with our 3¼ inch wall. We're gonna give you heat, we're gonna give you air conditioning. Guys, this is a fully livable extension part of the coach. No longer are we gonna have a hot or a cold box during the summer or during the winter. As we step into the garage, it's 12 feet long, fully unobstructed. Remember I mentioned no washer, no dryer in here, nor is there not gonna be your bathroom in here. We actually recess the half bath in the 455 so you can maximize garage space. Tecma macerator toilet, once again, nice storage. Very ample room, if you'll notice. We've optioned in the bunks in this one. So we've got the bunk option up top. We're gonna have 2 sofas right here. These do fold out to make a bed if we need to. Also gonna have a detachable table, LG TV, and one thing you'll notice, guys, you want a garage, we're giving you a garage. Metal cabinets, just a little different take than what everybody else is offering. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.